Can't find your ONN TV remote and need to turn up the volume? In this video, I will show you exactly how to control the volume, even without the original remote. Whether your TV has hidden buttons or you're using a smartphone, these step-by-step methods will help you adjust the sound quickly and easily. First, check if your ONN TV has physical buttons. Some models have volume up and down buttons on the side, back, or even underneath the TV. These buttons can sometimes be hard to spot, so take a good look around the edges and the bottom area. If you find them, you can use those to increase or decrease the volume directly. Even if you don't see separate volume buttons, most ONN TVs will at least have a power button, usually right under the IR receiver. If that's all you find, don't worry, we can still work around it. If your ONN TV is a Roku TV, you can use the Roku mobile app as a remote. Just go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the official Roku Remote Control app. Make sure your TV and your phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once the app is installed, open it, and it will search for your TV automatically. When your TV appears in the list, tap it to connect. After pairing, you'll see remote buttons on your phone screen, including volume controls. You can now turn the volume up or down right from your phone. If your Android phone has an IR blaster built in, you can turn it into a remote for your TV. First, check if your phone supports IR. If it does, go to the Play Store and download an IR remote control app. Once the app is installed, you can use it to send commands to your ONN TV, including adjusting the volume. This is a handy option if your phone supports it and your TV responds well to infrared signals. Another option is to plug a USB keyboard or mouse into your TV. Most ONN TVs have USB ports that can detect these devices. Once connected, you can use the keyboard or mouse to move through the TV menu. From there, you can go into the settings and manually change the volume. It's a good backup method if your TV doesn't have physical volume buttons and you can't use the remote apps. If you have a universal remote at home, you can program it to work with your ONN TV. Follow the instructions that came with your universal remote to set it up. Most remotes have a code for ONN TVs, or you can use the auto search method if you're not sure of the code. Once it's paired, you can use it just like the original remote to control the volume and do other functions. If the volume still doesn't seem to work, even after trying these methods, make sure the TV isn't muted and check the audio output settings. Sometimes the sound might be set to an external device like a soundbar or headphones. If the TV isn't responding to any of your inputs, try turning it off and back on, or check if there's a software update available. And if you're using an app and it's not connecting, double-check that both your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network and try restarting the app. That's it for this video on how to turn up the volume on your ONN TV without a remote. I hope these step-by-step methods helped you find a quick solution that works for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. Have a question, or did one of these methods work for you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it went. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.